If your Canva is acting slow, freezing up, or failing to save your latest design changes, you are likely dealing with a clogged cache that needs a complete reset. You probably feel like your internet is the problem, but more often than not, it is just all data sitting in your browser making things messy. I'm going to show you exactly how to clear those files out so your workspace feels brand new again. Stick around until the very end because I have a specific browser shortcut that will let you fix this in 2 seconds the next time it happens, which saves you from ever having to dig through your settings menu again. Think of your browser cache like a digital backpack. Every time you open Canva, your browser throws in images, fonts, and little bits of code so it can load them faster the next time. But eventually, that backpack gets way too heavy. It starts carrying old versions of your projects or outdated site files that clash with the new ones. This is why you see those annoying glitches where an image won't move or the export button just spins forever. By clearing the cache, you are essentially emptying that heavy backpack so Canva can start fresh with a clean slate. To get this fixed, you need to head into your browser settings rather than the Canva app itself. First, open up your preferred web browser and make sure you are on a new tab so you do not lose any unsaved work. Click on the three dots or the gear icon in the corner to find your settings menu. Once you are in there, you need to look for the section labeled Privacy and Security. This is where your browser hides all the site-specific data it has been collecting. Inside that menu, you will see an option for site settings. Click that and scroll down until you see the entry for Canva. Now simply click on the button that says Delete Data. You will see a small prompt asking if you are sure you want to clear the site's files, and you should go ahead and confirm that. This removes the temporary files without deleting your actual designs, though keep in mind it will log you out. Now, reload the Canva page and log back in with your account. You should immediately notice that the interface is snappier and those weird glitches are gone. For my favorite pro tip to keep this from happening, try using an incognito or private window for your heavy design sessions. This prevents the browser from saving a permanent cache in the first place, meaning every time you close the window, the digital backpack empties itself automatically. It is the best way to keep your main browser fast while you work on massive projects.